In the pulsating heart of technological advancement, a new heavyweight is stepping onto the scene. It's edge computing. What's the big deal, you ask? Essentially, edge computing is the secret source that supercharges cloud computing systems by crunching data right at the source at very fringe of the network. This eliminates latency since data does not have to take a cross-country trip to a data center or cloud for processing. It's like having your very own personal assistant right in your pocket instead of on other side of the world. Imagine a state-of-the-art smart car processing data from its sensors in the blink of an eye. Thanks to edge computing, the car can react in real time, making decisions in milliseconds that could be life-saving. Picture this technology on a sports field, enabling real-time player tracking, instant statistics, and lightning-fast decision-making. Edge computing is not just the flavor of the month, it's a true game changer, reshaping the way we handle the data and interact with our world. So the next time you are left amazed by lightning speed of your favorite app or the latest tech toy, remember it could well be the magic of edge computing at work.